Hello, my dear children. How are you? I am Aditi Miss. Today I will say about importance of water, uses of water, and how to make wastewater into clean. WATER water. Plants needs water. Animals needs water. And human beings also needs water. So plants, animals, human beings needs water. We all need water. We cannot live without water. Uses of water. Morning, what we do first? To brush our teeth, we brush our teeth. To wash our face. To bathe. You take bath. To drink. To wash hands. To use in toilets. For cooking food. Washing clothes. And utensils. Cleaning the house. Fireman to put out a fire. Water to live. Water to drink. To bath. Water cycle. Water evaporates from lakes. Then it becomes clouds. Water to cloud. Then again becomes water. It comes down as rain. And in river again it goes to sky. Water cycle. How do we get water? We get mainly water from rain. Then it goes to ponds, lakes, rivers, wells, tanks. From there we get water. For how to get clean water? You have to boil it or filter it. Drink always clean water. How does water get dirty? You know that? Throwing garbage, washing clothes, utensils, doing with utensils, and for bath, for animals. Factories allow waste to flow. We should not waste water. It is very precious. Water and its uses. Let's see. Living things need water to survive. Uses of water. You can see picture. For what we need? Gardening, for planting, cleaning, brushing, bathing, and cleaning utensils. We need water for drinking, cooking. Your mother cooks na? Bathing. You take bath na every day. Washing clothes. Cleaning. To clean your house. Brushing teeth. Washing utensils. Washing hands. It's very important. Washing vehicles. Swimming. You love swimming? Who knows? Farming. Farmer needs water to farm. Industrial use. Animals need water to drink. Plant also need water to grow and survive. Water is very precious. So we should not waste water. Be careful. Saving water. How to save water? Turn off tap while brushing your teeth. Take shorter baths, not for long time. When fruits or vegetables in a bowl water, wash it. Turn off tap after each use.
Kids, you have seen in the video water as how to essential water for us. If there is water, there is life. Water is very important, not only for humans, but also for animals, birds and plants. Due to increasing population, increasing industrialization, expansion in agriculture, increasing urbanization, water level is decreasing. Is the water, it's a way to clean and useful? We will learn about wastewater and other aspects related to it. To know more all these subjects, we go to a village in Haryana to understand what is wastewater. Hey Sonu, long time. Where were you all these days? You look very tired and sick. Yes, my friend, I was sick. I had fever and vomiting. Oh, is it? Doctor told me that I had fever due to water pollution. Look, sir has come to the class. Good morning, sir. Hello, children. Sunil, how are you? I am fine, sir. I was ill. The doctor said that I had a waterborne disease. Children, can you tell us how we get sick due to water? Sir, when water is polluted, then we get waterborne diseases. Correct. People get sick due to wastewater or dirty water. We will first learn what is wastewater. Can anyone tell me how one water gets dirty? Sir, when we bathe and the water is filled with leather, it becomes dirty water. Correct. Domestic water and the water that is generated after commercial use is called wastewater or dirty water. The water that comes out from washing utensils, from bathing, washing of hands, washing of clothes, etc., is also dirty water. Yes, this water contains vegetable matter, oil used in food, hair oil, detergent, floor dust, lubricated soapy water after washing the human body is called grey water. Sir, there is water that we used in the toilets too. Right, the water released from flushing the human excreta and to wash is called black water or sewage. Children, when it rains or the drain is filled, you see that the water flows on the roads. Observe this water. Write the color, smell or any other observation of this flowing water and discuss it with your teacher. All this water goes into the drains, isn't it, sir? Have you seen small and big pipes at your home? Yes, we saw them. Pipes that carry dirty water are called sewers. One pipe is for good water management in your houses and other pipes bring out dirty water from the house. Every 50 to 60 meters there are manholes. There are two or more sewers are found. So, this muddy water causes water pollution when mixed with clean water. Where does this water go? You are right. If there is no good sewerage system, dirty water contaminates clean water and also becomes a factor of many fatal diseases. Leakage by leakage sewage system, industrial waste and human extractor directly going into the lakes into rivers pollutes the water. Many germs rise in the contaminated water and cause various diseases. Typhoid, hepatitis, cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, skin diseases, etc. Try to avoid. Oh, I feel sick due to this. Sir, then what can we do with the wastewater? We should not let the dirty water go waste.
By removing contaminants from it, it can be made clean and reused again.
Can we get water purified? Yes, dirty water is sanitized with the help of the water treatment plant. But why, sir? Will we not get sick from reusing this water? Due to the continuous consent of clean water, the dirty water is cleaned and reused. If you do not use reed water, generated quantities that money water will pollute rivers, lakes and seas. Therefore, water must be treated. How is this treatment done, sir? I will tell you about tomorrow. Remember, water is precious and you should understand the value of safe drinking water. There we should not waste water. Water should be used with cautions. One should not with cautions. He is right. See you tomorrow. Thank you, sir. Children, in this video you have learnt about wastewater and its different aspects. Many diseases are spread due to water pollution. That is why dirty water should not be mixed with clean water. In the next video, you will learn about the process of cleaning of wastewater. Bye.
Answer the following questions. What are the three forms of water? Answer is the three forms of water are ice, water and water vapor. Number 2. How are clouds formed? Answer is water vapor in the sky condensed to become tiny drops of water. These drops of water come together to form clouds. Number 3. What happens to water which comes down as rain? Answer is the rainwater flows down to lakes, rivers, ponds and oceans. Some of it is taken by the soil and it goes into the ground. Number 4. What is water cycle? Answer is the sun hits the water in lakes, rivers, ponds and oceans. It changes into water vapor and rises into the sky. There it gets cooled down and changes into drops of rain. The sun hits the water again. It is a process that water never ends. It is called water cycle. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct word from the box. In box there are words ice, gas, evaporates. And number 1 is water vapor is water in the form of dash. Number 2, water dash to make water vapor. Number 3, when water freezes we get dash. Now you fill in the blanks. Number 1, water vapor is water in the form of gas. Number 2, water evaporates to make water vapor. Answer is evaporates. Number 3, when water freezes we get ice. The missing word was ice. Answer the following. We all need water to live. Do the plants also need water to live? Yes, answer is the plants also need water to live. Number 2, how is the water useful to us? Water is useful to us for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning, cooking, and so many other things. You need everywhere, you need water. Water is very useful to us. Number 3, what does dirty water cause? Answer, the dirty water causes diseases. Never drink dirty water. Okay, children? Number 4, what is the main source of water? You all know from where we get water. The main source of water is rain. Where does the rainwater flow into? Answer, the rainwater flows into ponds, lakes and rivers. Some of it goes under the ground. So where does the rainwater flow into? Rainwaters flow into lakes, ponds, river and some under the ground go into. How do we take out the underground water? You can say, how do we take out? We take out the underground water from a well or tube well. You see, I think you know. Fill in the blanks choosing a correct word from the box below. Precious, fire, dirty, waster and garbage. You have to use all these words. Number 1, we use water for putting out what? Fire. We use water for putting out fire. Number 2, water is very dash. What will be the right answer? Water is very dash. Water is very precious. Water is very precious. Number 3, do not throw dash in the water. Do not throw garbage in water. Then water will be dirty. Number 4, dash water causes diseases. Which water causes diseases? What will be in the gap? Answer is dirty water causes diseases. Dirty water causes diseases. Number 5, we should not dash water. We should not waste water. This is very precious water is. Should not waste water. Take the correct answer from the words given in brackets given in each sentence. We should waste water. What will be the answer? Number 1 answer is we should not waste water. We have to tick on should not. Number 2, plants will live or die without water. Answer will, plants will die without water. Number 3, rain or tap is the main source of water. I told you before what is the main source of water, what you have to take. Yes, rain. Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Number 4, there is water, no water under the ground. What you have to take? Water or no water? Yes, water. You have to take on water. There is water under the ground. There is water under the ground. We should always save or waste water. You have to take on right word. We should always dash water. Answer will be we should always save water because we need water. This is very useful. Water is very useful. Activity. Do you like to do activity? Yes, activity. Color and name this. What was left one is hand pump or tube well. Second one is well. So, active. Note the percentage of water content in the following. Tomato has 95% water and milk also has 95% water. Do you know what? Every person takes in about 60,600 liters of water during his or her lifetime. Wow! Student, you can see new words. We will now learn some new words. This side and that side, we will match it. New words. Water, cleaning. Drinking, cooking. Rain, pond. Animals, plants. Hand pumps, lake. Washing, underground. These are sources of water. These are sources of water. All are sources of water. The main source of water is rain. The rainwater goes into the rivers, lakes, ponds, seas and oceans. Rivers, lakes, ponds and ocean. You can see seas and oceans are big water bodies. Seas and oceans are big water. They contain big waters. Plenty of waters they can contain. Some rainwater goes deep into the ground. This is called the underground water. When rain comes down, some water goes deep into the ground. That is called underground water. Underground water. How we take out underground water? Wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Chalo, let's go to next page. These are words: rain, river, lake, pond, well, hand pump. These are all sources of water. Rain, river, lake, pond, well, hand pump. We need water every day for various uses. We will know various uses of water. We need water for these things. We need water for drinking. We need water for bathing. We need water for cooking. We need water for washing clothes. We need water for cleaning utensils. We need water for putting out fire. This is very important. So these are the uses of water, main uses of water. Every day we need things, this for water. So water is colorless and shapeless. True or false? Water is colorless and shapeless? Yes, this is true. Water has no color and no shape. You know now water is colorless. We should drink clean water. It is true or false? Yes, this is true. We should drink clean water. Animals need water for drinking. True or false? Animals also need water to drink. True. Plants do not need water. This is true or false? Plants need water or no? Yes. Plants also need water to live and grow. So this is false. Boiled water is safe to drink. Yes or no? True or false? Yes, this is true. Boiled water is good for health, safe. This is clean. So tick the correct answer. Water do you need when you feel thirsty? A. Air. B. Food. C. Water. Yes, you need water when you feel thirsty. Which one is a very big water body? Pond, lake or ocean? Which one? Pond is small, lake is small, ocean is big. So this is the correct answer. We should always drink dash water. Clean water. We should always drink clean water. Not dirty water. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Start off waste growing deep. Plants need water for what? Grow. So answer will be growing. Plants need water for growing. So some rainwater goes dash into the ground. What will be the answer? Some rainwater goes deep into the ground. Dirty water can make us what? Ill. We should not dash water. What? Waste. We should not waste water. We should dash the tap when not in use. What we should do when we are not using water? We should what will be the answer? Turn off. We should turn off the tap when not in use. Fill in the blanks. Now we will do fill in the missing letter to name a source of water. R-I-N. You have to fill the missing letter. Number 1, R-I-N. R-A-I-N. Rain. R-I-V-E-R. River. L-A-K-E. Lake. P-O-N-D. Pond. W-E-L-L. Well. H-A-N-D. P-U-M-P. Hand pump. So this is your worksheet. You can do at home also. Fill in the word, missing letters. Then we will write answer. Why do animals need water? Why do animals need water? Can you tell me? Animals need water animals need water for drinking and bathing. They also need water for drinking and bathing. Animals also take bath. Drinking and bathing. Animals need water. Now what is the main source of water? What is the main source of water? You know, everyone know. Rain. Rain, lake, pond, river, well, hand pump. These are the main source. The main source of water is rain. How can we clean water? We should do something to clean water. Dirty water can make us ill. Dirty water can make us ill. So how should we clean water? We will clean water by boiling. These are all your worksheet. So children, you came to know now water is very precious. So don't waste. I think you will keep it in mind.